If you're serious about crypto, here are the top reasons to get yourself a cold wallet today. So if you're ever keeping your cryptocurrency on Coinbase, Bitfinex, or Binance, then you're allowing them to be the main custodian for all your coins, and this subjects you to all of their security risks. So all of these coins are vulnerable to a hack from dedicated individuals. In the past, Binance has been hacked, Bitfinex has been hacked, and thousands of individuals have lost their cryptocurrencies because of malware and hackers. And this is because their crypto is kept on a hot wallet on these exchanges. And so the main difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet is that a hot wallet connects to the internet, whereas a cold wallet stays offline. So there's a lot of cold wallets on the market like KeepKey, Trezor, and Ledger. I personally think that the Ledger cold wallet is the most aesthetic looking. It's sleek and it's portable and it's easy to use. So with the cold wallet, you have to have a PIN in order to access it, and you need to know your Bitcoin wallet address to send or receive funds. So this serves as multi-layered protection. The Ledger Nano X is by far the best offline cold wallet on the market today, in my opinion. So what are the top reasons to keep your crypto on a cold wallet? For one, you have full control and sovereignty when you keep your crypto in a cold wallet. Even the vaults on exchanges are still subject to vulnerabilities, as hackers are always trying to find a way in. Second, your private keys never have contact with the computer when you use a cold wallet. Keeping as little information offline as possible ensures that you're less susceptible to hackers. Even if you connect to a computer with malware and viruses, your cold wallet still keeps your crypto safe. So if you have more crypto than you're comfortable losing, then this would be a good time to consider getting a cold wallet. But if you have less crypto than the actual cost of the cold wallet, then it may be a good idea to wait until you accumulate a lot more. So right now the Nano X is going to be a little bit pricey at $149, but Ledger also has the cheaper Nano S at $59. Unfortunately, only the Nano X is compatible with iPhone and iOS. So if you're an Android user, then you can benefit from getting the cheaper Nano S at $59. However, this one does not have Bluetooth. So in general, I do think that having a cold wallet is a good long-term investment, especially being that it's just a one-time fee. And when you consider the fact that the average annual cost of having a checking account is in the ballpark of $97.80, really isn't a bad deal. And with a lot of banking systems now being online, they are also subject to a lot of attacks as well. But you do get the benefit of having your money in the bank being FDIC insured. So all in all, I think cold wallets are great because your private keys cannot be obtained anywhere remotely like with a hot wallet. Just be very careful to maintain access to your 24-word passphrase. You don't want to lose that. If you made it to the end of the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and comment down below and let us know which wallet you think is best. If you're interested in the Ledger Nano X, please use the link in the description below to get 20% off your next cold wallet. Until next time, peace.